Hi, it's always better to add a session like latest in store or the new products in store in your Shopify store. It will help people to understand or purchase the latest product that are available within your store. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. For that, you have to go to your Shopify store, and from there you can go to products. Under that, you can click on collections, and here you can click on create collection. Okay, and after that you can just enter the name of your collection. Okay, so which can be like new to store. Okay, I'm just going to write the name as new to store. Okay, and after that you can just click on the collection type as smart. After that you can just select the condition. Okay, so you have to add the condition like product must match all condition, tag is equal to new. Okay, so in my case I'm just going to add the tag as new. Okay, and after, if I need to add the image for the collection, I can just do that from here or just click on save. Okay, now the collection is created. After that we can just go to products and we can just click on add product, and we can just enter the product title and the description and the pricing, and the main thing what we have to do is just click on the tags and add the tag. Okay, so this tag name should match the one what we have entered in the collection. Okay, so just click on the tag and add the new tag. Okay, just upload the product image. Okay, and after that you can click on save. Okay, so now the product is created. Like that you can just try to create more products. Okay, so now we have created few products and we can just see that the products are created here. Okay, so these 3 products with same image and everything. Okay, for the test purpose only. And after that, once the product is created, you can go to online store, and from here click on customize, and you will be able to see your website here. Okay, the layout here. So from the left side under the template you can just click on add sections and just click on featured collection. Okay, and after you can just name the collection. Okay, just name it like new to store. Okay, and you can just do all this type of changes. Okay, if you want to make this large you can just do that, or if you want to make this small you can just do that, and whichever suits your design of the website you can just do that. Okay, and after that scroll down and you will be able to see the option called collection. Just click on select, and you will be able to see the collection what we have created, which is new to store. Just select that and you will be able to see the products what we have added. So these are the products which are available within the collection called new to store, and it is displayed here. Okay, if you want to decrease the number of products you can just do that from here, or if you want to increase the number you can also do that from here. Okay, this is how you can just add a session called new to store. Okay, now just click on back button, and after that if you want to make this one in the top you can just simply drag this one, so it will come just after the banner. Okay, so now we have created new to store with the new products within the store. Okay, so after that you can just click on save. Once you save, just click on exit and you can just go to your store. Now you'll be able to see the new to store collection with the latest products in your store. Okay, so this is how you can create latest products collection or new to store collection in your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.